While banks make billions of dollars a year in overdraft fees, the new financial app Chime has grown to over 13 million users thanks to checking accounts that let you go overdrawn without fees and get paid early. Here's how Chime SpotMe works and how you can use your Chime card to get extra cash right away at ATMs or on purchases made with a debit card without being charged a fee. Can you overdraft your Chime card? Chime is a financial app that helps you easily and conveniently manage and access your money through your phone and with a Chime debit card. Chime offers a host of features that help you boost your savings, build your credit, and get cash when you need it. One of Chime's top features is SpotMe, which lets you access up to $200 from an ATM or by making purchases on your debit card without charging a fee. In fact, Chime has advanced over $7 billion to its customers since 2018. Chime was founded in 2012 in San Francisco with a mission to help slash the fees the consumers pay to manage their own money. It's part of a new generation of neobank financial apps like Albert and Cleo that are appending the rigid, high-fee world of traditional banking. While some transactions and services do incur low and clearly disclosed fees, Chime proudly offers a list of services that it offers at no charge. No annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, no memberships fees, no services fees, no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements. How does Chime SpotMe work? Chime SpotMe can provide you up $200 in fee-free overdrafts. Once you're set up with SpotMe, you can overdraft right away for a quick $20, and that amount can grow to up to $200 based on your account activity and history. SpotMe lets you overdraft your Chime card via debit card purchases or ATM withdrawals with no overdraft fees. There is no cost to enroll in SpotMe, and once you set up your account to receive a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more a month, Chime will cover up to $200 in overdrafts on your account without charging you overdraft fees. Let's take a look at how SpotMe can help you access quick cash without paying sky-high fees, even when your account balance is negative. You visit your favorite neighborhood restaurant for dinner, which costs $65, but you only have $50 in your checking account. With most banks, if you use your debt card to pay for that meal, you'll instantly charged an overdraft fee of $35 or more, turning that quick meal out into a $100 affair. Even worse, your bank could unexpectedly decline the charge, leaving you in a tough and embarrassing situation. But if you've set up SpotMe and have your paycheck regularly deposited into your account, you can pay with your Chime debit card, knowing that the $15 overdraft will be covered with no fee to you. The next time you make a deposit to your Chime account, your $15 negative balance will be cleared automatically, and you can again access your full cash advance limit. While there is no fee for using SpotMe, Chime will ask if you'd like to leave a tip once you repay your negative balance. Chime claims that tips help it offer cash advances via SpotMe to more customers, but leaving a tip is completely optional and it won't affect your eligibility for future overdraft advances. Chime has been preparing to go public in 2022, though the volatile stock market may delay those plans. With the company expected to be worth up to $45 billion, our recommendation is that they'll be fine without your tip. It's important to note that SpotMe only covers debit card purchases and ATM cash withdrawals. SpotMe isn't available for person-to-person transfers, ACH transfers, including other payment apps like Dave, Venmo, or Square Cash, or Chime checkbook transactions. While SpotMe doesn't have high overdraft limits, it will show you how much you can access for purchases or ATM withdrawals right in the app to help you avoid fees, as well as those embarrassing moments when your transactions are declined. You can access $20 in overdrafts right away, which can help you avoid those frustrating fees banks charge you for being overdrawn by just a few dollars, and you can grow your limit to up to $200 simply by using your Chime account. How to overdraft your Chime debit card on purpose. You can use your Chime debit card to make up to $200 in purchases with an overdrawn account balance. SpotMe makes it easy to access extra cash for purchases. Once you open your account, you'll receive a Chime Visa debit card that you can use to make purchases, withdraw cash from an ATM, and access extra cash when you overdraft your account. Whether you're shopping at a local store or restaurant or online, Accessing some extra cash via SpotMe is as simple as using your card. No application or pre-authorization is required. You can use your Chime card to make purchases at millions of merchants that accept Visa, both in person or online. Plus, you'll get the unrivaled security and fraud protection that Visa is famous for, including $0 liability for unauthorized charges if your card is lost or stolen, and continuous fraud monitoring. With SpotMe, you can view your available overdraft limit at any time right in the app, so you know if you can pay for that purchase before you even break out your Chime debit card. This is a big benefit versus traditional banks, which generally keep this number kept secret from you, which can lead the embarrassment, or worse, of your card being declined when you try to make a payment. Chime shows you exactly how much of a cash advance you have instant access to, up to $200, so you know what you can spend. One of the great features of SpotMe is that can also use it to get extra cash via the cashback option on purchases. So if you need a cash advance while your balance is negative, you can also get a cash advance while using your Chime card to make purchases without incurring any overdraft fees. How to get a cash advance from Chime at an ATM? You can use SpotMe to get a cash advance of up to $200 from an ATM. With your Chime Visa debit card, you can access cash at practically any ATM in the world. This includes no-fee withdrawals over 60,000 ATMs that participate in the Chime ATM network, including MoneyPass ATMs in 7-Eleven stores and at any Allpoint or Visa Plus Alliance ATM. Otherwise, out-of-network ATM withdrawal fees may apply, as well as additional fees charged by the ATM provider. To access a SpotMe cash advance from an ATM, you use your Chime debit card. If your account balance is zero or negative, you'll have access to your available SpotMe amount up to $200. If you have a positive balance in your Chime account, you can withdraw that full amount plus the available amount via SpotMe. Once again, there are no fees for using SpotMe, and feel free to skip the optional tip. You can withdraw up to $500 per day via an ATM if you have a sufficient balance in your Chime account. You can also make a cash withdrawal at a bank or credit union branch by presenting your Chime debit card to the teller, known as an over-the-counter withdrawal. This is also subject to the $500 daily limit, and a $2.50 fee applies. Your card is subject to a daily limit of $2,500 in total transactions. If you're looking for additional spending tools, you can also opt in through the Chime app to receive the Chime Credit Builder Card, a secured Visa credit card with no credit check, no interest, and no annual fee. Is Chime legit? Your money is safe with Chime. Chime has over 14.5 million customers. Founded in 2013, the San Francisco-based company has secured a whopping $2.3 billion in investments from dozens of leading venture capital and investment funds. Chime is not a bank. It partners with the Bancorp Bank or Stride Bank NA to provide your debit card and banking services. Both banks are members of the FDIC, so your deposits are federally insured for up to $250,000. And since your debit card is part of the Visa network, you're protected from unauthorized transactions with Visa Zero liability too, and you can instantly block transactions on your cards through the Chime app if they're ever lost or stolen. The Chime app often ranks as one of top 10 mobile apps in the financial category. Chime has a 4.8 rating on the App Store with more than 457,000 reviews, and a 4.6 rating on Google Play with over 384,000 reviews.